ngingadanga. Niyandibona njani? Niyandibona njani? Ndikwam bethwa ngumntanam ozelwe ndim ondliwa ndim oyeke isikolo uyotyiwe zii-drugs. Ndacela uncedo emapoliseni but hayi kulungela sifumananga. But ke ngoku ndimnika ubomi uthatho bam ngothatho bakhe. Nango qha umyalezo udlulisayo ngoba bendikhela uncedo andilifumenanga. And efowunini amapolisa afika ajonge nje uba ngaba ngubani ngoba ngowuphi na ofile phakathi kwam naye ajonge. Yewe ndifowuna wona but I will kill you my boy. Uphambisele usana kum ndikuzale ndikoluse uyeka isikolo utya ukutya kwam kufuneka ndoyika wena. Saze nto ngabazali nabatshalo ngabantu abahlala ezikolweni. I will fucking take your life wena kokubhense mna kwamithi mna 9 months ndizobethwa nguwe ndibethwe ngube nje kubulala. South Africa abazali ababodwa ababhinqileyo nje basihambe sibhensa simithiswa. This is enkosi ke lo. But lo wam I will kill him myself. Ndizamile ucela uncedo ukuba ndizothathela umntana ngamapolisa akavelanga ndise-Cape Town enkanini. Ndiyabonga.
Hey Bazala, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Uma Kajeni. On this channel we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about the video that we have just watched, guys. That is Umama. She is talking isiXhosa, so she's basically saying umntana have his son, I don't know whether it's the firstborn or the only son, is mooring her. Just imagine. And this video, guys, was taken on Sunday, and we remember, if you remember, on Sunday it was in Mother's Day. Just imagine Ushayu Mamako on Mother's Day. You know these kids, and you could hear even on the background that the son are regretting, the son are showing any remorse, and this is not the first time he's doing this. And the mother is saying substances, you know, he is taking substances. Maybe it's due to the substances that he's taking as men's shy, but she didn't state what is the reason I'm shy. We know maybe ufuni mad because these kids, they are spoiled, guys, and we all know that justice system, guys, is failing many women. Just imagine on Mother's Day. I will still say the minister who wanted Meji to come to a parliament. This is the issues we are talking about, guys. We have serious issues in South Africa where the justice system is failing abantu on the ground, and the minister uhlala thulile akakhulumi ngayo. But now this is the system, this is it esikhuluma ngazo, guys. That is all for now. So please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Inithanda ukuya nokubuya.